Hi grade 7 American System, this is Mrs. Nancy. Today we are going to continue the last part in section 4, nonmetals and metalloids. The oxygen family. Group 16, the oxygen family, contains 3 nonmetals, oxygen, sulfur, and selenium. These elements usually gain or share 2 electrons when reacting with other elements. You are using oxygen right now. So with every breath, oxygen travels into your lungs. So it is absorbed into your bloodstream, which distributes it all over your body. Also, the oxygen you breathe is a diatomic molecule O2. Oxygen is highly reactive. It can combine with almost every other element. It is also the most abundant element in Earth's crust and the second most abundant element in the atmosphere. Other nonmetal is sulfur. Sulfur is used in the manufacture of rubber for rubber bands and automobile tires. Most sulfur is used to make sulfuric acid, H2SO4, which is one of the most important chemicals used in the industry. The halogen family. Group 17 contains fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and astatine. These elements are known as halogen. It means salt forming. All of these elements are nonmetals except astatine. A halogen atom gains or shares 1 electron when it reacts with other elements. Halogens are very reactive, and the uncombined elements are dangerous to humans. For example, chlorine gas is extremely dangerous, but it is used in small amounts to kill bacteria in water supplies. Halogens are quite useful. Compounds of carbon and fluorine make up the non-stick coating on cookware. Also, small amounts of fluorine compounds are added to the water supply to help prevent tooth decay. Chlorine is one of the 2 elements in table salt. The other element is sodium. Also, another source of chlorine is calcium chloride, which is used to help melt snow. And bromine reacts with silver to form silver bromide, which is used in photographic film. The noble gases. The elements in group 18 are known as the noble gases. They do not form compounds because atoms of noble gases do not usually gain, lose, or share electrons. So the noble gases are unreactive. Uses of noble gases. Noble gases are used in glowing electric lights. These lights are commonly called neon lights, even though they are often filled with argon, xenon, or other noble gases. Hydrogen. It is the element with the simplest and smallest atoms. Each hydrogen atom has 1 proton and 1 electron, and some hydrogen atoms also have neutrons. Hydrogen is rarely found on Earth as a pure element. Most hydrogen is combined with oxygen in water, H2O. Metalloids. Along the border between the metals and the nonmetals are 7 elements called metalloids. The metalloids have some characteristics of both metals and nonmetals. All are solids at room temperature. They are brittle, hard, and somewhat reactive. The most common metalloid is silicon. Silicon combines with oxygen to form silicon dioxide, SiO2. So sand is mostly SiO2, is the main component of glass. Also, a compound of boron and oxygen is added during the process of glass making to make heat-resistant glass. Compounds of boron are also used in some cleaning materials. The most useful property of metalloids is their varying ability to conduct electricity. For this reason, metalloids such as silicon, germanium, and arsenic are used to make semiconductors. Semiconductors are substances that can conduct electricity under some conditions but not under other conditions. Semiconductors are used to make computer chips and lasers.